everyone, so it's a proud moment as Adrika by Abhijit Adya is going to be having its trailer launch at Festival de Cannes. And we have none other than the beautiful actress in the film, Niharika Raizada, here with me.
Thank you so much, Preeti.
It's such a pleasure to have you.
Such an honor to be here.
So Niharika, tell us about your character in the film Adrika.
Well, I won't reveal too much, but I can tell you that it's a psychological thriller. And Adrika's character is multifaceted, and the audiences will be literally at the edge of their seats trying to decipher what she's been doing, how she's been doing what is her backstory. And that is all the magic of Abhijit Adya, because I think that I've never met someone as intelligent as him. To make a good psychological thriller, like one of my favorite thriller directors is Sriram Raghavan. He's one of my favorites, and I believe that Abhijit Adya might be able to make a mark in this world of psychological thrillers because he's that good.
Wow. Yes, because Abhijit being the first ever Bengali director to make his debut, that too at the Cannes Film Festival, with a South Indian Malayali film.
He is the first Bengali director to make a Malayalam or any South Indian language film. Anyone who asks me, so your director, he's a Malayalam director. I tell them, no, he's a Bengali director.
Wow.
So he's the very first.
Okay. So tell us, what was the most interesting part at the sets while making the film?
The most difficult part, can I tell you? The
Okay.
most interesting part was obviously just doing the film in a language that I don't understand, that I don't speak. That was the most interesting part.
Okay.
But I think the most difficult part was actually shooting. We shot this mainly at night, and we were at the backwaters, Kabi backwaters of Kerala.
Okay.
And there were all forms of ants and creepy crawlies and lots of bugs. And I was bitten rotten. If you ask Abhijit at which level he took me to get this role out of me, he will tell you that, it was a violent shoot because it was the fight between me and the animals. In addition to shooting, so that was the most difficult part. The most interesting part was that I got reunited with a very old friend of mine from London, who was my co-actor, Donovan.
Wow.
Donovan is the reason I have this film. So I would like to thank you, Donnie. Donnie, it's because of you. We met a very long time back in the UK.
Okay.
And
that's so lovely.
he made this film happen for me. Because I did not know my director. Today I know him very well, but I did not know my director before.
Okay. And what made you say yes to this film? Like, yes, I want to do it moment.
So Dipti, I have wanted to do a film in every language possible. I am a language lover.
Okay.
And for me, Malayalam, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Gujarati, Marathi, it's a dream of mine to do a film in every language.
Wow.
So when someone offered me a person who's a non-Malayali, who doesn't speak Malayalam, on the basis of the fact that she knows languages well, Abhijit cast me only because he knows that I'm a polyglot, and he said that she'll learn. She'll manage. She'll manage to give the dialogues and the expressions in a language she doesn't speak. So for me, that was the reason I said it's a challenge. I'll take it up.
Yeah.
That's why.
Quite a big challenge.
Yes.
Also, tell us something more about the Cannes. Are you excited? And what are your looks going to be? And what all preps have gone behind that?
A lot of preparation has gone behind. Right now, somewhere here at the backstage, there's Veronique, who's been helping me with a lot of work that I've been doing.
Correct.
She's been by my side during this whole Cannes Film Festival preparation. Thank you so much, Veronique, for being by my side. I have been going to different designers. I want to showcase a lot of Indian culture, Indian designing, hand-woven silk saris I'm going to be wearing.
Wow.
I'm going to be wearing Payal Singhal's clothing, which is a huge brand in India. She's got some incredible designs. She has this collection which is called Fashion in Motion. I'm really impressed with her collection, and her embroidery is so subtle and elegant. So many designers are there, who are supporting me, people who've been with me since the beginning of my journey.
Wow.
And I want them to be a part of my debut at Cannes.
Of course. And you're going to be, I think, be there at a lot of different red carpets, right?
I actually am going there with 4 films.
Wow.
So I
that's
don't think
huge.
anyone has gone there with 4 trailer launches.
Wow. So all your 4 film trailers are getting launched at the Cannes, which is
Yeah.
amazing, and heartiest congratulations
Thank you.
to you for that.
Thank
and
you so
super
much.
proud.
I know, very proud about that. It's the 77th edition for the Cannes Film Festival.
Yes.
And this year, first time, IMPA is also going, which is our Producers Guild in India.
Wow.
So, since the elections are going on, some ministries are not able to travel, but whole of IMPA is traveling to Cannes. A
Wow.
lot of very amazing producers are going to Cannes from India. So it's
Great.
going to be really fun.
Wow. And I suppose you're going to be walking all 4 different carpets?
There's going to be different red carpets and different brands that I'm going to be,
Yes.
going to the events of. There's Campari, there's potentially like Dior, there's Magnum, there's Sony TV's Gala,
Right.
there's the Indian Gala, Luxembourg Gala. I'm going to be going to the American Pavilion, the Indian
Even at
Pavilion.
Luxembourg, I think there's a beautiful film that's being aired.
Yes, Payal Kapadia's
Payal
film,
Kapadia's film.
which is actually
again a
co-production.
Malayali.
It
film.
talks about Kerala nurses.
Yes.
Which is so nice that, with our film Adrika being
Yeah.
a Malayalam film and her film being in competition,
Yeah.
I think it just, all we see is light. It's amazing. I'm so proud of Payal. I'm so proud of Le Film Fauve. I'm so proud of Chalk and Cheese, which also just had a release, Shrikant. So they are co-producing that film.
Wow.
And,
Shrikant also is a masterpiece.
Very nice film. We just saw it a few days ago.
Yeah, even I just
Rajkumar
saw.
Rao, he did a very good performance.
Yeah, brilliant.
I want to have that man cast in the film I'm going to make.
Of course, like he's a brilliant actor.